Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 may not look very different from last year's foldables. The next batch of Samsung's C-series folding phones are almost here. Samsung is launching the new Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 at a launch event on August 10th, next month, less than 2 weeks from now. However, as is customary with pretty much every flagship-grade Samsung phone, official-looking leaked renders of the phone have now surfaced on the web. Now we have a proper look at the recently leaked renders of the upcoming Samsung foldable phones, showcasing them from various angles and in multiple colorways. The leaks come from Twitter tipster Evan Blass via 91 Mobiles, who has had a pretty solid track record when it comes to leak renders. The images reveal both the Galaxy Fold 4 and the Galaxy Flip 4 in both open and closed forms. Along with showing off the various color options Samsung has made available this year. This year the Z Fold 4 seems to be available in 3 colorways: black, beige and gray. The design, as mentioned in previous rumors, is similar to that of the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but there are small changes here, and they're like slightly bigger rear camera housings, a tapered design, and more rounded corners. The hinge is also expected to be narrower, plus the phone can also come with a less prominent crease on the display, which could be sturdier. We still don't know if the phone will feature an under-display front camera like the Fold 3, since the leaks show the phone with black wallpapers. Meanwhile, the Flip 4 appears to be available in 4 colors: black, gold, blue and purple. The designs for both phones don't seem to get a lot different from last year. The Z Flip in particular looks a lot like last year's Flip 3. Support for the S Pen is also not yet confirmed this year on the Fold 4, although it does seem likely given that Samsung has officially dropped the Note series now. Samsung is also expected to improve the in-display crease this year, along with implementing a larger outer display on the phone. However, we will have to wait a little longer to know more about this. For now, we do know that both the Fold 4 and Flip 4 are powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen Plus chipsets. So what do you guys think about this new renders? Let me know it down in the comments section below. Of course, for all the latest updates on the Z Fold 4, be sure to subscribe, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.